When machining surfaces that are flush to the fixturing, sometimes it is necessary to use soft jaws or machinable fixturing. By default, NC-Simul is programmed to alert the user of collisions that the tool experiences with anything in the environment, including the jaws. The alerts are shown here as soon as the program gets deep enough to contact the surface. To avoid this, when using machinable fixturing, there is a setting in the fixturing setup. Enter the setup and right-click on the fixture item in question. This is important because sections of the fixturing can be defined individually so that only a portion is allowed to be contacted while the rest can remain avoidance objects altogether. Select Clamp Properties from the drop-down. Under Clamp Type, change the field from Fixed to Machinable and hit Apply, then return to the process level. Run the simulation again and notice that the alarms are ignored when the tool contacts the machinable surface. This allows the tool to pass through the fixturing when in a feed rate. However, it will still alarm out if it detects a rapid motion in material that would be unsafe for the machine or for any elements still defined as fixed. Properly defining all the elements in the environment allows NC-Simul to provide the most accurate representation of the machining process and collision detections possible.